I chose UCL because I like the colour purple. No, I'm joking.
That's helpful.
No, I chose UCL because I wanted to be in London, where everything that I was studying was going on. And the firms that I wanted to work for were all based down here.
It's quite unusual that a campus is so in the middle, like in the centre point.
Very integrated, you know. There aren't many places in the UK where you can go and get the tube to school.
I went to work in China for a project at the World Expo, and you had all these pavilions with different construction companies from all over the world working together. And there was this girl for the British pavilion, and she saw that I had trouble. Like every time I wanted to manage something, people would ask me, what about the finances? What about the contracts? And afterwards, she recommended me. She said, like, if you do this course of UCL, you'll know the answer. And that's when I signed up for Bartlett.
I wish to change my career to make it more project finance focused, and there are several people like me in most sort of large companies. We wish to be more switch from our technical base to being more financially aware, and it did what it needed to, and it helped me make the switch.
What I really noticed when you start working, and even like when you really want to be an engineer,
Right.
Everyone, the first question they ask once it's a disciplinary and big project, it's like, what do you know about budgets? What do you know about finance? What do you know about contracting? It's more about opening your mind and having so many people together with different background, different work experience, different like fields.
That was the best thing about this course for me, honestly. It was a different way of thinking.
What I learned from the course still helps me.
That was very interesting. Like in this market, actually still companies come to the faculty and to the university to present themselves and actually get to meet students from our course. They as well give you so much freedom to write essays on the topics you really want to focus on, or to talk with companies where you could like do a dissertation with.
They got me interviews with literally everybody I needed to talk to in the world of infrastructure for my dissertation. It was fantastic. It was literally, Caleb, look, they sat me down for about 3 hours, went through everything I needed to do, and then were like, right, we'll call this person, this person, this person. They got their bloody open a Rolodex, do you know what I mean? It was brilliant, it really was. And I don't think I could have done that anywhere else.
The topics are so well discussed together with my professor who's in supply chain management. We set up a subject that I just called a couple of Dutch companies, and they were like, we're going to do this, we're going to help you, and within no time I had 8 companies working.
It's amazing how the same sort of things that I did in my dissertation I'm still doing now.
What I did for my dissertation I've used over and over again to illustrate to people my areas of understanding.
All of the subjects we got during the course, you could apply them everywhere.
Yeah, I absolutely agree.